Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down fully and removing external power. Do this now to avoid shorts. Once done, remove the outer cover to expose the power switch header on the motherboard. Make sure to work on a non-conductive surface and ground yourself to avoid static. You'll need a small screwdriver, an insulated tweezer or paperclip to momentarily short the two power switch contacts. This step replaces the broken external button, so move deliberately and keep screws labeled for reassembly. Now you'll simulate the button press on the motherboard. You touch the two designated power switch contacts with an insulated tweezer or unfolded paperclip. Do a brief contact to power on. To force safe mode, power on by shorting and then immediately simulate the long press sequence. Hold contact continuously for about 7 seconds until you hear one beep. Then continue holding until a second beep. This sequence tells the Ps4 to enter safe mode instead of a normal boot. Once you hear the second beep, stop shorting and connect a USB cable to a controller. Press the PS button to pair and bring up the safe mode menu. From here, you can select the appropriate recovery options such as change resolution, update system software, or rebuild database. If safe mode doesn't appear, power down and repeat the exact timing of the shorting sequence. Make sure the contact is clean, and you fully discharge the system beforehand to avoid missed signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.